Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Changing the language on a device allows users to explore and understand different cultures more deeply. By using the device in a specific language, users can accept applications, content, and media that are tailored to that language and culture. Okay, and then let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open please Settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here please scroll down. And then you can select General Management option. Well, after that, here you can open the language menu. After that, tap on Add Language here. Okay, and then you can select the language you want. Well, after that, to change the language on your device, you can click Set as Default. Okay, and then now the language on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.